Ang trabaho mo will give you money. Ang assignment mo will give you fulfillment. Kaya kahit anong gawa mo sa trabaho mo, you have the money, you have the success, but you're not fulfilled. You succeed, but it doesn't feel successful. Why is that? Because you have a job, but you don't do your mission. Hindi ka lang basta architect, hindi ka lang basta influencer, hindi ka lang basta business owner. You are a believer of Jesus Christ. So kung ikaw man ay nagtatrabaho as an accountant, that's your job. But it doesn't mean it is your mission. Ano trabaho ni Peter sa Bible? Fisherman. Yun ang kanyang job, pero hindi yun yung kanyang purpose. Peter thought he was a fisherman. Sabi ng Lord, no, that's your job. Your mission is to be a fishers of men. And who would have thought na yung inakala niyang fisherman siya, pagsasalitain ng Panginoon sa harap ng 3,000 people, and 3,000 people got saved. So kung ikaw ay accountant, nasa office ka, accountancy is what you do, but that's not your mission. Ano ang assignment na pinapagawa ng Panginoon? Look at Jesus Christ. Ano ang trabaho ni Jesus Christ nung nandito pa po siya sa mundo? Karpintero. Yun ang kanyang trabaho. Pero yun ba mission niya? No. Ang trabaho niya karpintero, pero ang mission niya to save the world. Magkaiba ang trabaho sa atin pong assignment. Pag iniisip mo pa lang yung commute papunta sa trabaho, yung traffic na pagdadaanan mo, hindi pa Monday, malungkot ka na ng Sunday. Gagawin ko doon, magsisirox na naman ako sa opisina namin, magmamap na naman ako ng sahig. Ano ba magagawa niyan? May pera nga ako, pero hindi naman fulfilled ang aking buhay. Right? But once, watch this, but once, na nilagay mo yung mission mo sa trabaho mo, you know, hindi ka lang basta pumapasok sa trabaho. You're serving the Lord. You're not serving your boss. You're serving the Lord.